Woke up today with no hot water. I'm going to show you how to relight your pilot. Little control valve right now is on hot, which is about 128, so I'm going to lower it down to low, which is around 120. And you'll turn this knob, the pilot, to relight it, push it in, and hit your igniter at the same time a bunch of times until you see a little flame, pilot flame in there, and you'll get a status light that'll blink once you get the flame. At that point, you turn it to whatever temperature you want. So let's see how it goes. There's our pilot. Come up here and wait for it to blink, and you'll hear it click. There's the click. Should have a blinking light pretty soon, and then we could turn it to whatever temperature we want. There's our light, an indicator light saying we're back in order. Once the flame kicks on, I'll move it back down to low. Looking there, you can see our flame, nice and bright, and we're back in order. Let's put the cover back on, and you're good to go.